Did you know that you can burn up to 150 calories in just 15 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling? Fat loss doesn't have to be complicated or require long hours at the gym. With the right approach, you can torch calories, shed fat, and improve your overall fitness by incorporating easy and effective workouts into your routine. Whether you're a beginner or looking for ways to boost your current regimen, here's our countdown on our 5 favorite simple workouts that will help you reach your fat loss goals without overwhelming your schedule. 5. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, for beginners. HIIT is well known for its fat-burning benefits. The concept is simple: short bursts of high-intensity activity followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. Even beginners can benefit from HIIT without needing to dive into intense, grueling routines. For example, try alternating 30 seconds of brisk walking or light jogging with 30 seconds of rest, or slow walking for a total of 15 minutes. In this time frame, you'll burn anywhere from 100 to 200 calories depending on your intensity and fitness level. The bonus? HIIT continues to burn calories even after you finish exercising thanks to the afterburn effect, which boosts your metabolism for hours. 4. Bodyweight circuits. If you prefer working out at home, bodyweight circuits are an excellent way to torch fat without the need for equipment. You can design a simple circuit of exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These compound movements engage multiple muscle groups at once, increasing the number of calories burned. Here's an example of an easy 15-minute bodyweight circuit: 10 squats, 10 push-ups or modified push-ups, 15-second plank, 10 lunges, 5 per leg. Repeat this circuit as many times as you can in 15 minutes, resting as needed. You can burn up to 150 calories depending on your pace and effort, all while building strength and endurance. 3. Walking, the underrated fat loss workout. Walking may seem too simple to make a difference, but it's one of the easiest and most accessible ways to lose fat. In just 15 minutes of brisk walking, about 3.5 to 4 miles per hour, you can burn between 60 to 100 calories. Over time, these numbers add up, especially if you increase the duration or intensity of your walks. Try adding short walking sessions throughout your day. You can start your morning with a brisk walk around your neighborhood or take a 15-minute walk after lunch. Not only does walking help you burn calories, but it also improves your mood and boosts energy levels. 2. Cycling for fat loss. Cycling is another easy and fun workout that is great for burning fat. If you have access to a stationary bike or a bicycle, you can pedal your way to fat loss in just a few minutes a day. A 15-minute cycling session at a moderate pace can burn around 120 to 150 calories. For beginners, start with a leisurely pace and gradually increase your intensity as your fitness level improves. The best part about cycling is that it's low impact, making it easier on your joints compared to running or jumping exercises. This makes it an excellent option for those who are just getting started or for anyone who prefers gentler forms of exercise. 1. Swimming, a full-body fat burner. Swimming is one of the best full-body workouts that can help you burn fat without putting strain on your joints. In just 15 minutes of moderate-pace swimming, you can burn around 150 to 200 calories. Swimming engages almost all the muscles in your body, providing both cardiovascular and resistance training at the same time. If you have access to a pool, consider adding short swim sessions into your routine. Even a few minutes of swimming can make a significant difference in your fat loss journey, and is also a refreshing way to exercise. Fat loss doesn't have to involve long hours at the gym or complicated routines. The key to success is consistency. Even just 15 minutes of activity each day can add up over time, helping you achieve ultimate fat loss in a way that fits into your lifestyle. So, lace up your shoes, jump on a bike, or head to the pool. Your fat loss journey starts now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.